everybody, it's Pixel. Today I'm going to be making pineapple upside down cupcakes. For that I'm going to need a bag of brown sugar, one of those Duncan Hines boxes of pineapple supreme cakes. Of course you could probably use white cake just fine. A can of 7-Up. I've chosen tropical because it seems like it's going to give us that nice little flavor boost. Need a jar of cherries. And a can of pineapple tidbits. Well, this shouldn't be so hard. First step is going to be pour the can of soda into the cake mix. Alright, I've given every single one of our cupcake openings a nice little spray of baking spray. And into the bottoms of each, we're going to be distributing the pineapple tidbits. Next step will be to start putting one of the single cherries into each of the pineapple-filled muffin cups. After the cherries, put a good teaspoon of brown sugar. Last but not least, you're going to want to put about a 1/3 cup scoop over the top of them of your cake mix. And once those are completely filled, it is going to go into an oven that is preheated to 350 for the next 20 minutes. Alrighty, these turned out of the oven nicely. I was worried they'd overcook, but they got a nice crispy top to them. Now the best part's here. We gotta try one on. Well, these taste just like pineapple upside down pie, or cake to me. These would probably be really good for a party, or instead of just making a whole cake. I really love the flavor. You can't tell that we put soda in it, and it was really simple to make. So if you have any thoughts, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I'm gonna go eat another one of these. See you next time.